Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to enable low stock tracking in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the online store that you want to track low stock inventory on, click on Manage Store button to go straight to the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, first click on Products, then select the products you want to track the low stock for. As you see here, I have two variants for this product and the inventory shows in stock. Now let's start the process. So I will open this product on this page. Then I will go back here, scroll down to options. Here, or let's show you how to track inventory for products with the variants. For example, here I have this color variant, white and black. So I will work on the white variant option. So here I will go with first click on track quantity, and then click on track low stock. So as you see, now click on next to the each variant. Next, after that, I will show you how to do the same thing for a product with no variant. So just bear with me. So here for this white variant, let's say I have one pair of this headphone, or let's say I have two, and I want when I reach, or let's say I have 12, for example, right now, and when I have, or when the stock reaches 10 items, I want to see a low stock notification. Okay, same thing here. Let's say here I have same thing 11. My bad. This 11 should be here in the quantity. I have 10 of each pair, and when the stock or the inventory reaches 10 items, I want to see a low stock notification. Now click on Save. Product updated. As you see, your changes aren't live yet, so this inventory update is not published online. It is only saved on your website. So how to publish it? Click on Publish in Editor, then update your website from here. Now that my website is updated, let's refresh the same page. Okay, now I will go with a white headphone, add to bag. Here they recommend me those options. I will not go with them. Click on checkout. Or before placing this order, let's go back to my online store to see the before of the pricing list. Okay, this is, as you see here, below inventory next to my headphone product, I see 22 in the inventory. Now let's 22 in total with 11 for each variant or color variant. Now let's place this order, or this is a test order. Then I will accept. Now I will place this order. Thank you for your order. Now here, when I refresh this page, I should see a low stock notification below inventory. As you see here, it says low stock. So this is how to know. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, build in specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. As you see here, it says low stock. So this is how to know that you have a low stock. Let's do the same thing, but this time for a product with no variance. So for this, I will go with this classic cap. So first, below pricing, click on for products with variance. The track quantity was below options. Now it is placed below pricing for products with no variance. Click on or enable track quantity. Let's say I have 12 quantity, 12 cups, and I also want to track low stock. So when the inventory reaches 10, I want to see a low stock notification. Same thing, click on save. Don't forget to update your website. Now that the website is updated, let's open it in a new page. Let's close the old one. Now before this, I will return to the products page to see, let's refresh this page to make sure. Now, as you see, next to classic cap and below inventory, it shows the current inventory of 12 available caps. Now, if I go to the store, add this classic cap to the bag, check out. Before this, my bad, as you see, 5 plus in stock. I think this is only shown when you track quantity. Now let's place this order with those default info. Then place this order. Thank you for your order. Your order has been received. Now, when I refresh this page, I should see a low inventory little dot here next to 10 instead of 12. Let's refresh. And as you see, same thing, low stock for this classic cap. And this is how to enable low stock tracking in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.